Guys, welcome back to another Zippo review. Got a new Zippo today. Came in the mail. Yeah. I've been waiting for the Zippo for like a week. I don't know why it took so long. Usually it takes like a couple days. But anyways, this is a Zippo logo. Yeah. 218 Z or Z 11. I mean L. Manufactured company, whatever. Guess let's open it up. It's weird. This is the guarantee or whatever. And the box. Okay, so here's the Zippo. Made in USA, Zippo. Here. Black matte Zippo with the logo. Okay, so let's take out all the stickers. Just stick it there. Okay. Brand new, never used, obviously. Has good sound. So the case was made A of 14, so that's January of 2014. Alright. Just take the insert out. Here's the insert. Brand new insert. No fluid, obviously. So yep, lift to fill. Zippo, made in USA. Holy, this was actually made in L of 13. So that's... I have no idea when that was made. L, I'm kind of new to this dating thing, so yeah. For best results, use Zippo Flints and Fluid. Obviously, I always do that. Keep away from children, whatever. Lighter does not self-extinguish, obviously. I might use this one, or I might just put it in the collection. I have no clue. So yeah, let's check out the Flint in here. 1 second, let me just get that open. Sorry guys, I'm gonna buy a tripod soon, so don't worry about that. So here's a Flint spring. Brand new Flint, obviously. Brand new lighter. Just drop that back in there. Just like that. Okay. Let me just screw this back on. Alright. Here's the Zippo. Oh wait, the cam is stuck. Alright. Here's the Zippo. Matte black. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out my Facebook page. You can post your own videos there. Yep, just stay tuned for more. I got more coming up in about a week when school starts. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and stay tuned.